Okay. So let's start regarding the alkene. Okay. Fine. So what are alkenes? You understand that alkene. Okay, let me go down. No, this preliminary I will not explain. Yeah, this thing I will tell in alkene because it's important. Huh? See, in alkene, what is the structure? Carbon, double bond, carbon, and then hydrogen, hydrogen. So this is the basic structure of your alkene. And what is the bond angle? Bond angle is 120 degree, and it contains a pi electron, a sigma electron. Here sigma single bond mean sigma electrons, right? Sigma, sigma, pi, sigma, sigma, sigma. You can see this pattern is there. Anywhere if you'll see that a pi is there, so close your eye and tell that that is a sp2 hybridized. Okay, sp2 hybridization. So, and what about the bond length between carbon and carbon? You can see the bond length is 1.34 angstrom. Okay, please remember this thing. And you know that pi electron, how it is formed, and sigma electron, how it is formed. So basically the head-on overlapping creates your what? Sigma or pi?
Sigma.
Sigma. So this head-on is your like a sacking of head. And this pi is like a, from the distance you are saying bye-bye. Okay, so this is your, that is also interaction, bye-bye or see you. Okay, hi, hello, we supposed to do a distance person, not the close person. No, so that is your pi electron, right? And this is the sigma electron, and this you know that s orbital, p orbital overlap, s for spherical, p for dumbbell shape, right? So basically if someone will ask, so I believe you can draw this structure, right? So this is the important thing. Fine, I make you understand. Next, we will go directly to not the naming, you know that naming part. And yeah, see this thing, you remember that this is known as vinyl. You know, this is vinyl, and this is basically allyl carbon. You see, this carbon is known as allyl carbon. Okay. Okay, one of pure allylic substitution reaction is the chemical properties of your alkene. You know that when you are going to give a heat, so what is there? Okay, and chlorine. So from here the hydrogen would be removed and chlorine will be added up. This is the substitution reaction. Basically, this is known as an allylic substitution, right? See, so carbon carbon, if two carbon are close, these are known as vinyl, vicinal. Okay, vicinal, and this is known as allyl carbon. Okay, please remember that. Okay, next we will go to, and what is that method of preparation, right? So method of preparation is the important thing that is having 5 mark question. So from first is your, from the what? Dehydration. I said you that dehydration of alcohol, dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide, dehalogenation of vicinal halides. Okay, so see, we want to prepare what? Any compound, whatever they are. Okay, just think whatever we they are. To prepare alkene, basically we need 2 carbon. So he has taken 2 carbon, right? And 2 substitution. Okay, so if one is OH, another is H, so it gives, after dehydration, dehydrating agent gives you the alkene, right? We saw that one and we have already discussed. Okay, next you can see, this is the example. Okay, please remember this one, and always remember that 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. I said you that alone you will always feel bored, no? In this lockdown, if someone is there, so you're supposed to, whenever you are feel free, bored and depressed, if you will make a call to your friend, you just excite, I think, right? Like this, one person is bored, 2 person is just, the room is just laughing, 3 is like laughing as well as quarreling. Okay, 3 things are there. So always the tertiary is stable. Please try to remember, because if you are sad, okay, just think that if you are sad, so what is there? If 2 other friends are there, whoever have they may be, if they are your roommate, no, during your, you see, Okay, those who are sitting in your single room, okay, in your hostel, and the person those who are staying in a double seated room, if you can see, okay, who are very happy, if you'll see. Do you think that this person is very happy? I don't think so. He will be alone. Always he will think very bad. All if he will be alone, bad thinkings are come, right? So it's very bad always. So if you are staying together, two friends are there. So whenever he is just crying or anything, some moral support by this person will be there. But think here, three persons are there, three friends are there. So if he is shadow, so he may help, she may help. So lot more supports are there. No, you can see, yes or no. So for that reason, I said you that 3 degrees is more stable than 2 degrees, more stable than 1 degree. Regarding the cation formation, I am saying if some see the positive charge and negative charge, you understand that this is a compound, right? Okay, he's in the ground state. If something has attack, so there would be a charge over the carbon or oxygen, right? This is excited state. They are unstable, like when you are crying or when you are just angry. So that is not your normal. That is abnormal state. You're supposed to come to the ground state. So in that way, I'm explaining. Okay, try to understand. I believe you understand. So I'll not explain. Already I discussed. So now you can see that here there is a chance that OH is there. From where hydrogen will be closer to this. So here from here, water can be removed and bond can be formed, right? The simplest example I said you to give in your exam. But if you take a complex example like what is there, see in this example, you can see that, yeah, this 2 butanol, okay, 2 position. So hydrogen is also present here. So from where the hydrogen will go? So that gives the Sedgwick rule. What is Sedgwick rule? From where Sedgwick rule comes? So if I will ask you in exam, write a note on Sedgwick rule, please explain this thing. Okay. So from where the hydrogen is going to remove? Which one would be the major product and which one would be the minor product in the dehydration reaction? Right. So it will decide by the Sedgwick rule. So what Sedgwick rule said? From where? From the carbon with lowest hydrogen, right? So from here it is going to remove, not from here. Sorry, always remember. Okay, so 2-butene is 80%. So why he said like this? Okay, if it will go, so here if hydrogen, so there would be a positive charge would be, so this is a secondary, no, two friends are there, but if here positive charge would be there, only one friend is there, right? So it's not stable, but here the stability is much more. Okay, two friends are supporting, fine. So that's why it is 2-butene, but here what is happening? 1-butene, you can see. So if 1-butene is there, so what is there? From here hydrogen is going, so stability is less, so yield is less. Okay, so this is important, please remember. Next is dehydrohalogenation, and these are the reagents. Please remember that dehydrating agent, alumina, phosphoric acid. Okay, please remember that one. So this is the rule that hydrogen is preferentially eliminated from the carbon atom with fewer number of hydrogen atoms. The rule states that when such an alternative exists, from where the hydrogen is going to removed, so Sedgwick rule will come in the role. Please remember. Okay. So this is your dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. You understand? So same way from where the hydrogen is going to remove, right? This also okay. So this is also eligible in case of C if 4 carbons are there, right? Carbon, 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 and carbon. If it is 2-bromobutane, right? 1 bromo is there, then it is no issue. But if it is 2 bromo is there, so hydrogen will remove from here or remove from here, right? So this is the question. Understand? Hello? Hello? So here also it is eligible. Are you there, guys? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, fine. So here also this is eligible. Similarly, there is a term known as dehalogenation. So I believe everyone has studied, right? So always remember that this thing. Sometimes HOH, sometimes what? HBr, okay, or sometimes 2Br. This is the three method, okay? Please remember, sometimes you are using dehydrating agent, sometimes you are using dehydrogenating agent and dehalogenating agent, okay? So that is your alcohol with heat with zinc metal. Okay, so it will remove the Z and Br2. Please remember, okay? This is easy, I think, okay? कितना पढ़ा हूं, बार बार पढ़ा पढ़ा के मैं भी रट्टा हो गया मेरा, बिना देखे लिख लोगे, I believe, right? Next two is your, see, 3 bond to conversion to 2 bond, right? There is a chance that if you this is a reduction, no, it may be formed as a single bond also. So that's why the term is there, control hydrogenation. We will add hydrogen but control fashion, so that 3 bond can be 2 bond, not the 1 bond. So for that you have to use a catalyst, palladium. With that you are using calcium carbonate and quinoline. So this is discovered by a scientist Lindlers. In his name, this reagent is known as Lindler catalyst. Okay, this is one procedure. Please remember, already discussed. Next is the easiest one, that is your cracking of alkane. Take alkane and heat it 600 degrees, so it can be break down to alkane, alkene, mixture of alkenes, alkane, right? So this is the thing. I believe you have remember. Next is your, you understand that physical property. It's easy. So in exam, know whether I have asked you the chemical properties or physical properties. But most of the times you see that chemical properties has been asked and you are writing these physical properties. Why, I don't know. That student will not get C. If I have given 10 marks of question, 5 mark for preparation, 5 mark for chemical property. So hardly you can get only 5 mark. Okay, so maximum 5 mark you are going to get, not 0 for writing physical property. So think in that way. Okay, what examiner has asked, please have a look on that and answer your copy. Okay, next is your chemical properties. Chemical property, you know that this is an alkene, 2 hands are there, so there is a addition reaction, right? So what is the principle of addition reaction? What is the principle of addition reaction? Can anyone tell me what would be the principle of addition reaction? This reagent what you are going to add, step 1, it has to be ionization. Okay, you'll see that the mechanism, yes, 3 steps mechanism are there. Addition reaction, that is your ionization of the reagent, electrophile, nucleophile. One is E mean electron, okay, electron are negative, so it has to be positive. E plus and Nu minus, right? Electrophile, nucleophile, electron loving, nucleus loving, right? Next is your, what is their second step? Second step say regarding that attack of this electrophile, because this is the electrophile, no? Positive charge is known as electrophile because they will, because you know that pi and sigma electrons are there. What are their charge? They are basically negatively charged. Yes or no? Electrons are basically negatively charged. So positive charge automatically attract towards the negatively charged. Okay, fine. Okay, electrons are always negative. So इसलिए पहले this nucleophile and not come and not taken part into this. Who has taken part into this? Who has taken part into this? The role is your what? Electrophile. Okay, please remember. Okay, electrophile. So now after attaching this, so this has been added up. So other part becomes positive. Carbonium ion formation. Okay, now this is positive, so nucleophile attack. the nucleophile attack on the carbonium ion. And the final product is the addition product. Please remember, this is the mechanism of all addition product, whether you are adding HBr, whether you are adding Br2, whether adding H2SO4, whether you are adding what is that, no, boron, diboron, okay, whatever reagent addition reaction, so they will follow this mechanism. So it's an important question, please remember. Okay, so this is which kind of reaction. So basically what kind of reaction you will see? One is addition reaction, second is reduction reaction, third is oxidation reaction, fourth is polymerization reaction, and allylic substitution reaction. Okay, okay, please remember this: addition, reduction, oxidation, polymerization, and what is that? Allylic substitution reaction or substitution reaction. ठीक है, कुछ भी करो आप याद रखना है एंड हर चीज का एग्जांपल देना है आपको. ओके, तो यू कैन सी okay. Just a minute, hold, let me message. Okay, so addition or reduction, please remember this. Fine. Okay, next we will see. Next is your addition of halogen. What is this? Addition of halogen. See, okay, bromine you are going to add addition of. So this is a test for unsaturation. Red color bromine rapidly discolored to the colorless dibromo compound. Okay, so this is, you can see the inert solvent. Okay, whatever with the carbon tetrachloride basically dissolves the alkene. Okay, that's why carbon tetrachloride is the preferable solvent for alkene, please remember. Fine. Next you can see the mechanism. Step 1, ionization. Okay, step 2, attack of the electrophile. You can see addition product, carbonium formation, and step 3, nucleophile attack. Okay, every addition reaction same mechanism. Fine. Next you can see addition of halogen acid, HBr. So mechanism, see, H plus Br minus, first step. Second step, this attack of what? Electrophile, addition product, carbonium ion. Third one is the nucleophile attack, right? Fine, I think you got my points, what I mean to tell you. Okay, now there is a question that addition of HBr, right? If you want to, if it is an unsymmetrical alkene and unsymmetrical reagent, where the positive part will go and where the negative part will go. So that will determine by the which rule? Markovnikov's rule. Right, please remember Markovnikov's, okay, rule. Fine. Markovnikov's rule said regarding that where the positive part will go. Always remember. Fine. So positive part means H plus. So as per the scientists are always positive. Okay, that's why they have taken the positive part. So this positive part will go to the carbon with more substituted hydrogen. So it will go here, and negative part will go to the less substituted hydrogen. Okay, beta. Okay, so this would be the major product, that means. Okay, and this would be the minor product. Okay, understood? Is it clear? So please remember the Markovnikov's rule. This, when a non-symmetrical reagent add on a non-symmetrical alkene, positive part will go to the attached carbon, which has the greatest number of hydrogen atom and give this example. Fine. And what about the mechanism? Let me show you guys. See, same H plus Br minus. Okay, then H plus Br minus. So what is there then? Second is your carbocation formation, where the hydrogen, if hydrogen will go here, so this become the positive. So you see, this is the secondary. This is the secondary carbon. See, this charge, positive charge is attached to the two carbons, right? Two methyl will support this positive charge. That means when any happy thing is going on, so this positive will call to his close friend. आपका घर में जब कोई प्रोग्राम होता है, बर्थडे होता है, सेलिब्रेशन होता है, तो अपना दोस्त को बुलाते हो ना, लाइक दिस. सो इट इज लाइक दिस. और इसका अगर एक ही होता, यहाँ पे देखो, इसका एक ही दोस्त है, तो ये एक आदमी को बुलाएगा, तो इतना मजा थोड़ी देगा. इसीलिए थिंक इन दैट वे, लेस स्टेबल, मोर स्टेबल, 2 डिग्री. और अगर 3 डिग्री होता तो और मजा, बहुत आदमी. यू अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, so you understand that part. Okay, then there is a one more scientist against the Markovnikov rule, that is known as Kars, MS Kars. Okay, it is known as anti-Markovnikov rule. In presence of peroxide, this reaction occurs, so that's why it is known as peroxide effect, Kars effect, or anti-Markovnikov rule. 3 things are same. Please remember this thing. Okay, and this is against the Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov said that positive part would be go to the carbon with more substituted, but anti-Markovnikov said that positive will go to the less substituted. So this is the anti-Markovnikov product. Okay, someone may ask you the anti-Markovnikov's rule also, right? Okay, it will have a 5-mark question. Next, and this is basically, this peroxide is your, it is having the radical mechanism, because peroxide basically goes via the radical. So it's step 1, the peroxide will be dissociate and it will form the radical in presence of heat. Okay, then this radical is having activated, so it will attack to the HBr and it will break down the bond. Okay, and it will form ROH. यार Okay, so see, have you got it? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next. Okay, so same way, after this, this radical is going to attack. How the other things are going to happen, same way. Okay. Next is your addition of hypohalous acid. So OH minus Cl plus. So you understand, as it is 2 things, so not unsymmetrical, there is no problem. Add here or here, anywhere. But if it is an unsymmetrical alkene, then the rules come. The positive part will go to the more substituted hydrogen, right? And negative will go to the this. So never comes to this kind of condition if you are unaware regarding the Markovnikov's product. So simply give this ethylene and write down this. Okay, समझ में आया क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं एग्जाम में कैसे लिखने के लिए? आपको अगर मार्कोनिकोव नहीं याद आता है तो सिंपली इथिलीन लेके रिएक्शन लिख के छोड़ देना. फाइन. Then hydration, similar way, this is hydration, but this is basically known as addition of sulfuric acid. H2SO4 is isolated to H plus, HSO3 minus, SO4 minus. So H plus means positive part go to the more substituted. You see here positive part has come and negative part go to the this less substituted. So this thing is the form. This is the addition product. And again, if you pass this thing in water and heat, it will form a alcohol. Okay, 2-propanol. Okay, so please read these things. Okay, Then next is your alkylation. This is also one kind of addition. This is nothing. Okay, this is also one kind of addition. So you can see एक मिनट रुकना. Yeah. Hello. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So see, here in alkylation, what is there? See, if you can see, alkylation mean alkyl you are adding. But here CH is there. Basically this kind of alkyl has been added. Okay, example is this. So you can see who would be little bit of positive and little bit of negative. Can anyone tell me who will be positive and who will be negative? Tell me.
Carbon has partial positive charge.
किसका चार्ज पॉजिटिव होगा, किसका चार्ज नेगेटिव होगा? So see, hydrogen is much more lighter. No, always you have saw na H plus होता है, right? देखिए हो ना, बहुत रेयर जगह पे H minus होता है. So always remember that hydrogen is always plus. Okay, if you'll see carbon and hydrogen, carbon is delta positive and hydrogen is delta positive and carbon is delta negative. Electronegativity of carbon is little more than the hydrogen. Okay, like OH, like NH, who is electronegative atom. Now you can see, आप मैं ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर लिख रहा हूं, you are not understanding. Now you tell me who is electronegative. Who is electronegative? CH, NH, OH. Heteroatom is basically always try to remember that they are the electronegative. Okay, SH. Who would be your electronegative? Right? Understood everyone? भाई yes or no बोलो. समझ में आया? हाँ, तो sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon always little bit more electronegative compared to the hydrogen. But carbon and hydrogen, the electronegativity difference is very less. Still, he is the rich guy compared to hydrogen. Okay, always remember in case of electron. Okay, ये याद रखना है. So this would be delta negative, this would be delta positive. So what he said, positive part will go to the carbon with more substituted, mean here H would be come here, right? CH3, and this part, this negative part will come and join here. You can see, right? This is the double bond, no? You can see this is the double bond, and now here this part has been added up. Please remember, So this is from isooctane. This is what is isooctane? Do you know? Gasoline. You know na octane number बोला जाता है ना. If you'll go to the Siachen जानते हो everyone? There the temperature is -20 or -40. So what is going to happen to the petrol? Petrol is also going to freeze. Yes or no? so your engine is not going to work in case of car or and diesel or whatever the things. So isooctane number is measured of this. Okay, so these things has been added there to anti-freezing agent जो होता है ना बेटा. So these are the things. Read it. Bhal and Bhal book, it is there. When we studied in the alkane, no, okay, the back side of alkane you can see isooctane has been explained nicely. Alkane application, please read it. It has been mentioned today, only you read it so you can learn it. What is isooctane basically? Okay, next is hydroboration. I said you what is hydroboration. Okay, alkene with BH3. Okay, so again from here see BOEH3. Now who is your positive and who is the negative? Okay, boron is the electropositive atom. Okay, please remember this one, HHILiBB. Boron is the electropositive. Okay, and hydrogen is the negative. So plus part would go to the carbon with more substituted hydrogen. So it will be here, right? Understand? So at last, like this, BS3 is going to added up and it is going to form trialkyl boron. And if we treat this trialkyl boron with peroxide water hydrolysis, so it will going to form the primary alcohol. Please remember, this is also one preparation of alcohol. Understand? When you will prepare the alcohol, this is the preparation. Okay, then comes your addition reaction has been completed. So you give 2 to 3 addition reactions. इतना नहीं देना है आपको. अंडरस्टैंड? एग्जाम में सब कुछ लिखने बैठोगे तो कभी खत्म नहीं कर सकोगे. अंडरस्टैंड? इतना सारा थोड़ी लिख सकोगे एडिशन प्रोडक्ट. जस्ट गिव इजी वाला. ओके, यू जस्ट गिव दिस ब्रोमिनेशन, HBr, HOCl, बस 3 चीज दे देना. इतना इजी है. यस और नो? ये 3 चीज दे देना. That's finished. Then go to the reduction reaction. Then go to the oxidation reaction, because oxidation reaction is having 4 things. Oxidation are of 4 types. In case of alkene, with cold KMnO4, with hot KMnO4, with ozone, and with what is that? One more thing was there, beta. What is this? हाँ, कैटालिटिक ऑक्सीडेशन. राइट भैया, तुम्हारा एग्जाम होने वाला है, क्या पढ़ाई की हो क्या मालूम. आई डोंट नो. हाँ, मैं पढ़ा के मेरा याद रह गया. एग्जाम तुम दोगे, मैं नहीं दूंगा. थिंक इन दैट वे. सो कोल्ड मीन एडिशन. हम किसी से प्यार से बात करते हैं तो ही लव्स टू टॉक विथ अस. नो, दूर नहीं जाता है. सो कोल्ड KMnO4 मीन ऑलवेज एडिशन. ओके, डबल बॉन्ड में 2 OH ऐड हो जाता है. दिस इज ग्लाइकोल फॉर्मेशन, इथिलीन ग्लाइकोल, इथिलीन KMnO4 कोल्ड. ओके, प्लीज रिमेंबर. ओके, अल्कोहल प्रिपरेशन, दिस इज आल्सो वन काइंड ऑफ. ओके, एंड दिस इज द बेयर्स रिएजेंट. टेस्ट कलर is the solution of bromine in this is the bromine. Okay, this is the Bayer's reagent. That bright purple color of KNO4 disappear during the reaction. This is a test of unsaturation compound. 2 tests we have studied. One is bromine test, another is your cold KMnO4, that is Bayer test. 2 tests, 2 mark. Please remember. नेक्स्ट इज योर ऑक्सीडेशन विथ हॉट KMnO4. कोई अगर गुस्सा करेगा तो हम उससे बात नहीं करते हैं. मतलब क्या, बॉन्ड हम तोड़ दे रहे हैं. राइट? सो बॉन्ड टूट जाएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? एक एसिड बनेगा और दूसरा गैस बन जाएगा. और व्हाट एवर द लाइक दिस. सी, इफ यू कैन सी व्हाट इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म हियर. सी, यहाँ पे क्या बन रहा है ना. You can see when the bond is going to break down, one is acetic acid, another is SCHO or whatever kind of thing. You may write down SCHO also, but basically it is also break down again and carbon dioxide and water forming. Okay, here you break down this. So what is there? One is acetone, another is your acetic acid. Okay, so please remember that one acid is forming in hot addition of KMnO4, right? And now another is your Catalytic oxidation. Catalytic, what is there? In presence of metal, heat and oxygen, right? So what's going on? Okay, epoxide is formed. Okay, please remember epoxide. Okay, the term is epoxide. Epoxide. Okay, always remember catalytic oxidation leads epoxide formation. Then I said you oxidation with ozone. So what you have to do? Three way you have to add the oxygen like this. Break it. Okay, break it. This is known as ozonide formation. Then in presence of zinc water, it will break down. And this is carbonyl. This is carbonyl. Two carbonyl compounds are formed, right? Ozonolysis. Please remember. Huh? See, this is this product ethylene open ozonolysis formaldehyde is formed, right? Like this 2-methyl 2-butene open ozonolysis, one is ketone, another one is your aldehyde form, right? समझ में आया बेटा? Okay, so this is next is your one more reaction is your combustion. Okay, I have forgotten to tell you. So anything you are going to do in presence of air or oxygen, combustion means carbon dioxide and water with heat evolve. Alkane को भी करो तो same reaction. Combustion is a common property. Next is your polymerization. Ethylene ले लेना है n number सा polymer मतलब n ethylene polyethylene बन गया. Right. Propylene gives polypropylene. Please remember this. Ethylene gives polyethylene. Okay, this is the characteristic feature. जो polythene बनता है आपका. Okay. Then last is your substitution of alkene by halogen, allylic substitution reaction. Okay. I said you that allylic position, the substitution will be takes place. I repeat this because Saturday from onwards exam is there. In morning I have taught you 1 hour, no? So that's why I have repeat this thing. Okay. So this is the mechanism of this. So same way initiation, propagation and termination. This is also radical because it is behaving in a alkane. 500 degree mean radical mechanism. कभी भी जानना कहीं पे अगर हीट अगर ज्यादा हो रहा है तो it will go via the radical mechanism. Okay, like your halogenation, what you saw, chlorine, so bond is going to break down here also. The form, radical form, again you will see. Okay, again this radical will again break down, again take allyl chloride will be formed. Okay, and finally chain termination, they will react each other. So impurity will be formed as well as the compound will be formed. Mixture of compound will form. Okay, this is regarding your alkene, what we have studied. Next, we discuss regarding the diene, no? Okay, next we discuss regarding the diene. Diene are of 3 types. One is your non-conjugated, conjugated and cumulated diene. ठीक है, cumulated mean एक जगह पे जमा होना and conjugated mean only one bond gap and non-conjugated mean more than one bond. Okay, that is non-conjugated diene. Why dienes are stable? Because of pi bond and conjugation. Fine. So please remember that one. So the simplest is your 1,3-butadiene. Okay, delocalization of pi orbital is happening because you saw that 1,3-butadiene. There is 2 kind of addition. One is 1,2 addition and 1,4 addition. That happens due to the delocalization of pi molecules. This is higher classes. Okay, don't remember that one. So how you are going to prepare? So already I mentioned बेटा आप लोगों को मैंने बताया है अल्कीन हो ब्यूटाडाइन हो कुछ भी हो डिहेलोजिनेशन सी डिहाइड्रेशन राइट नो. सो यू नो दिस कि यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन. सो HCl निकलेगा HCl निकलेगा. देखो 1,3-butadiene वहां पे भी डिहाइड्रेशन करो 1,3-butadiene. Okay, it is having 3 reaction. Okay, so here 3 reaction, catalytic dehydrogenation you can see. So n-butyl ले लो heat दे दो तो बन जाएगा, right? And again similarly addition of halogen, addition reaction is the common addition of HBr. So 1,2 addition and 1,4 addition. Please remember that one. HBr, 1,4 mean here H, Br here, 1,4 addition, right? Okay. So see the addition of halogen, 1, 2, Br addition, 1,4 here, 1 here. Okay. Addition of hydrogen, that is reduction. So 1, 2 and 1,4 addition. Polymerization, what is the end product of polymer? So Buna rubber is formed. Please remember this. From where? With polymerization, the end product is known as Buna rubber. Polyethylene, propylene, or 1,3-butadiene, or 1,4-butadiene. Okay, whatever be there. Okay, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका. Then we discuss the Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction, what is there? Diels मतलब 2En. Alder, a scientist, Diels scientist, they got the Nobel Prize. So for this, the alkene alkyne used as a what? Dienophile, and diene is there. They are the dienophile mean diene lover. Okay, the end product is a adopt reaction. Let me show you one example of Diels-Alder reaction. You can see simplest is your 1,3-butadiene and dienophile heating. So what is that? Cyclohexene is formed. Right. Now diene and dienophile react adopt. Okay, so dienophile adopt, but we saw observed that if there is an electron withdrawing group is there, the reaction goes very faster and yield is 100%. Please remember this much you remember. And I said you regarding the what is that, मैंने और क्या बताया था आपको कि स्टेरियोकेमिस्ट्री मैंने बताया था ना आपको. स्टेरियोकेमिस्ट्री, सीस होने से क्या होगा, ट्रांस होने से क्या होगा, बताया था. दो अगर सीस होगा तो बोथ कैन बी अबव द प्लेन. ओके, नहीं तो बिलो द प्लेन. ओके, और एक अगर सीस होगा, दूसरा अगर ट्रांस होगा तो क्या होगा, एक बोल्ड होगा तो दूसरा डॉटेड होगा. ये अगर बोल्ड हुआ तो ये डॉटेड होगा. राइट, दिस इज द स्टेरियो सिलेक्टिविटी रिएक्शन इज पॉसिबल in case of Diels-Alder reaction. And the application part is lot of drug can be synthesized using this chemical reaction, NAM reaction, like different steroid molecules, then a lot more drugs, anti-cancer, antibacterial, antifungal. Okay, lot of drugs I showed you last class. Go to the link, and I believe that you have prepared the notes for that, right? If not, please go and see the video and try to prepare it. Fine. This much for your class. Okay. Am I audible? Let me take the attendance. You may leave. 36 बच्चे हो, ज्ञानी हो तुम लोग, जरूरत क्या है. चलो